Hey everyone, if you encountered Hypervisor Detected or Hypervisor is already running and AutoLoadHV is set to true, no worries. In this video, I'll show you how to fix them in a few simple steps. Before we do get into this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below. Without any further ado, let's get straight to fixing. So to fix this problem right over here, the first thing that I recommend is by going on your start menu, type in CMD, and run as administrator. Over here, type in pcd edit space set hypervisor launch up launch type right over here, and then space off. Go ahead and press enter, and it should say the operation completed successfully. Now this will only work if you run the program as administrator. Once done, go ahead and exit, and the next thing that you do, go ahead and click on your start menu once more, and then type in turn Windows features on or off. Go ahead and click on it. A window will pop up like so. Go ahead and scroll down until you see the section that says virtual machine platform right over here and Windows hypervisor platform. Make sure to turn this both off. If it is checked, go ahead and remove all the checks. Once done, go ahead and press OK. And the last thing that you need to do is by going on your device security. On your start menu once more, go ahead and type in device security like so. Over here, you should be able to see core isolation. Just go ahead and click on core isolation details. And on memory integrity, just go ahead and turn that off. No worries, this will be temporary. Once you turn that off, an administrator yes or no option will be provided. Just click on yes. Once done, restart your device. And once you restart your device, the error should be gone. Now, once the error is gone, go ahead and turn the memory integrity back on and it should be fixed. That will be all for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Thank you guys so much for watching.